Our parents, they made a golden standard that if you do this, this is exactly what is good. And when the goal is being created for you, it's really difficult to achieve it.
I've had similar issues, but I've been able to strike a common ground with my parents where I've said, okay, I'll do some of the things that you're interested in, but let me follow the long-term aspiration that I have, because I'll be able to be more useful to you and more useful to society by allowing me to pursue things that I'm going to be consistently passionate about.
Back in the days when there's a problem, there was a panel of old men that would basically deliver judgment real quick. And that would be the end of it. But we don't have that. And because the times have changed, we need to be able to adapt to our situations. For instance, right now, we have a lot of young Somalis going over to Syria. I was shocked. Whether it's young girls going off to be brides, whether it's young boys going off to kill themselves, these kind of issues would only come when we haven't addressed our problems.
In a nutshell, I feel like the crux of the problem with the youth nowadays in our community is that they've got an identity crisis.
A lot of young people are frustrated. They feel that they don't have a sense of belonging, and parents are not listening to them, so they don't know where to go, kind of thing. So they think that going abroad gives them a sense of purpose in their life.
If you've got a kind of strong values, kind of strong purpose, and you know who exactly you are, then no one can come and just blow you over in any direction that they want to. So I think that's something that we need to, as a community, look into.
They are Muslim by faith, they are Somali by origin, they are Western by culture, and often that's what causes conflict. They think that you can't be one without the other. So when they are exposed to people who are just like them but are able to balance these different identities, that allows them to see something different.
We need to focus on celebrating achievements, on celebrating the journalist that was here, the youth worker that was here, the teachers, the teacher trainers, the doctors, the nurses and so on, and somehow connect them within the diaspora, or being visible within the diaspora, and or connect them to Somalia.
Our generation, we might not be able to change everything, we might not be able to make a big difference, but we can lay the foundation for a better tomorrow, and we can pass on the mantle to the younger generation, and I think these kind of debates would foster that.